Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c : and hit enter. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Type c : then hit enter. Now we need to type cd space c : / and hit enter to execute. Now type cd space windows and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space system32 and simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup1 and hit enter. Type in cd space regback, then simply hit enter. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space .. and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command cd space c : /. Let's execute this command. Type cd space windows /system32 /config regback, then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcd edit space /export space c : /bcd backup and hit enter. Now type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type attrib space c : -boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Now type run space c : \boot \bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Now type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.